Comfort and durability matter when relaxing outdoors, whether in the backyard, at the beach, or during camping trips, where seating quality directly affects your overall experience and long-term satisfaction. Best lawn chairs combine support, portability, resistance, and style for everyone. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. GCI Freestyle Lawn Chair. The GCI Freestyle Lawn Chair is designed for people who want comfort and movement combined in a portable outdoor chair. Its standout feature is the patented spring action rocking technology, which allows smooth and gentle rocking on almost any surface, whether you're on grass, gravel, or concrete. The sturdy steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, giving it a solid and reliable feel, while the breathable mesh back keeps you cool during long sitting sessions. This chair is ideal for campfires, sporting events, or backyard gatherings, offering excellent back support and well-positioned armrests. A built-in beverage holder adds everyday convenience, keeping your drink within easy reach. Setup is quick and simple thanks to Easy Fold technology, making it easy to open, close, and transport without hassle. Overall, this chair balances comfort, durability, and portability, making it a dependable choice for outdoor relaxation.
Number 2. GCI Kickback Lawn Chair. The GCI Kickback Lawn Chair is a low-profile rocking chair built for relaxed outdoor seating with easy portability. It features the same spring-action rocking technology found in higher-end GCI models, allowing smooth rocking on different terrains without tipping or instability. The steel frame supports up to 250 pounds, while the breathable mesh backing improves airflow, making it comfortable even on warm days. This chair is especially suited for sporting events, beach outings, or casual backyard use, thanks to its compact design and built-in carry strap. Thoughtful additions like the armrest beverage holder and secure phone pocket enhance convenience, keeping essentials close at hand. Setup and packing are quick and intuitive, requiring minimal effort. With a balance of comfort, smart storage features, and easy transport, the Kickback Lawn Chair is a practical option for anyone who enjoys relaxed seating with gentle motion outdoors.
Number 3. Sophia Armrest Lawn Chair. The Sophia Armrest Lawn Chair focuses on premium comfort and heavy-duty support, making it an excellent choice for extended outdoor relaxation. With a wide 22.4-inch seat and thick, even padding, this chair offers superior comfort and can support up to 400 pounds. Its powder-coated steel frame and weather-resistant polyester fabric enhance durability and long-term outdoor use. The golden triangle structural design provides excellent stability, preventing backward tipping even when fully reclined. A detachable headrest and upgraded cup holder add extra convenience and customization. The chair requires no assembly and allows easy adjustment from upright seating to a fully reclined position using the locking bar under the armrest. This flexibility makes it suitable for lounging, reading, or resting outdoors. Overall, the Sophia Armrest Lawn Chair stands out for its strength, stability, and plush comfort.
Number 4. Sophia Folding Lawn Chair. The Sophia Folding Lawn Chair is designed for versatility, lightweight portability, and everyday outdoor comfort. Made with high-quality Textiline fabric and powder-coated aluminum and metal tubes, it offers excellent breathability and resistance to wear, water, oil, and UV exposure. This makes it well-suited for patios, gardens, beaches, and poolside use. The chair arrives fully assembled and folds easily, saving space and making storage or transport simple. One of its strongest features is the 7-level adjustable backrest, which allows you to choose positions ranging from upright sitting to relaxed reclining. The lightweight aluminum frame makes it easy to move around without sacrificing stability. With minimal maintenance required and strong outdoor performance, this chair is ideal for users who want a reliable, adjustable seating option for various outdoor activities.
Number 5. Sophia Lounge Lawn Chair. The Sophia Lounge Lawn Chair is built for luxurious comfort and strong support, making it ideal for long lounging sessions. Featuring an extra-large 24.4-inch padded seat and a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds, it provides generous space and stability. The thick padding and ergonomic design enhance comfort, while the wood-like armrests add a refined touch. Its upgraded cationic and slubbed fabric improves durability and visual appeal, complemented by a powder-coated steel frame for rust resistance. The adjustable reclining system allows you to lock the chair at various positions, from upright to nearly flat, offering personalized comfort. A sturdy golden triangle structure ensures excellent balance and safety. Although the padding takes longer to dry, this chair delivers outstanding comfort and durability for poolside, patio, or indoor relaxation.
Choosing the right option ensures comfort, reliability, and lasting value across outdoor settings. With thoughtful design, durable materials, and practical features, the right choice enhances every moment spent outside, whether relaxing at home, traveling, or enjoying nature with family and friends.